and Coach Maurer line up.
Everyone get together.
With the lake in the background. How about the river in the background? Yeah, the river in the background. Does that sound like they're right? Stand in the mud.
Wait a minute, you're
Stand in the water.
Get out here, Craig!
Getting your feet wet.
Go down here some. Okay, group picture.
I will spoil your plan.
Get in here, Craig. Where are you?
Gather round, young fellow boys.
Oh, God.
Next picture.
Make sure everybody's in the picture. Craig, we can't see your beautiful face. All right, are we ready, kids? Let's look at the camera.